Hello. Welcome to Casual versus Sweat. We do the funny memes. We do the funny strategy. We try the bad guns. Yeah. No, we don't. The good gun. The good guns are good. We try the bad guns to see if they're bad. Okay, so we just 1v1 each other with these guns and see if it's better for casuals or sweats. Yes. Yeah. Can't believe we just killed a man. I just can't believe we just killed a man. He's only 9. I gotta move to Mexico. Alright, let's get the bills down. Ugh. Okay, ready, set, go. Okay. Really, man's gotta get his purified water. He needs this. He needs this job, man. Let's go. No more Mexico, man. We're getting that $1 million mansion. We're getting that purified water. We got that milk. Yeah, let's go. Great. One more match, right? One more 1v1. Oh, yeah, one more. Come on, get over here. Ah, shoot. Okay. Do I get my paycheck? I have my kids back? Best of 3, right? So you got the 3 best friends, and then you beat one, and then when you beat them twice, you win, right? Okay, let's review this pistol, man. Alright. Alright, let's review it. 26 damage, fire rate is 6.75, magazine size of 12, reload time of 1.33. This gun's pretty. Alright. In my opinion, I prefer this gun over long range. It's not as good when you get close range unless you have good aim. Cough, cough. Aim assist. Yeah. Silence too. It's pretty good sound, sir.